Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So, I love to garden. Any chance I get to help encourage someone to start a garden, to grow something, even one thing, I love it. I love to encourage people to try to grow something. Now, I know that not everybody has the money, the time, the commitment, and sometimes the physical ability to garden and to do all that process of growing their own food. But what if I told you you could grow your own food in your closet, in your house, with no effort at all? It is so easy. Today, I'm going to tell you and show you how to grow lentil sprouts in your house, in your closet. Let's go. So, all you need are just 3 items. First of all, you need a wide mouth jar. Make sure it's a wide mouth jar, not a regular narrow jar. I will show you later why you have to have the wide mouth jar, but I promise you need the wide mouth. The next thing you need, which is most important, is the sprouting lid. So this is just a lid, it screws onto your mason jar, and it has like the mesh so that you'll be able to drain water. You can also use cheesecloth and put that over your jar and wrap it around a rubber band to hold it on. You can use that. I guarantee you the sprouting lid is worth the money. It's like $10 and usually a couple of them on Amazon. And the third thing you need is lentils. So these are just lentils from the grocery store. You can get a pound of lentils for like $2 at Walmart. And that's all you need. Just 3 items. Wide mouth jar, the sprouting lid, or cheesecloth if you want to do that, if you don't want to commit to buying the sprouting lid yet and you just want to try it out, and lentils. Jar, sprouting lid, lentils. That's all you need. So now I'm going to show you how to grow your own lentil sprouts. So on the morning of day 1, you are going to pour a 1/4 cup of lentils into your jar. You're going to cover it with water, and they need to be put in a well-ventilated dark area away from sunlight. I place mine in our closet, pantry closet thing. You could also use a cabinet. Now, the day 1 afternoon, you're going to drain your lentils and shake it out, make sure you get it good, and put it back in the closet. The morning and afternoon of day 2 and 3, you're going to rinse, drain, and put them back in the closet. Morning, afternoon, both days. If you have never bought lentil sprouts or had them or have no idea what they are, here's a few reasons why you should grow lentil sprouts. 1, they're high in fiber, but sprouting them reduces the chemical that causes gas. 2, they are good plant protein. And 3, the sprouting increases their vitamin C content. So they're actually very, very good for you. I like to put them in a salad. It gives it another texture. And I heard on a podcast recently that you should try to eat 30 different plants a day. So that's one more plant to check off that list. You can also put them on a sandwich instead of lettuce. I prefer them in a salad. I like to get all the nutrients I can in a salad, so one more vegetable, one more plant is good for me. Now, when you get to day 4, in the morning, you're going to rinse and drain and put it back in the closet just like you did on day 2 and 3. Now, when you get to the afternoon of day 4, you're going to harvest your lentils. That's right. In 4 days, they are going to be done, and you're going to find out why it is important to use a wide mouth jar, not a narrow mouth jar. Because when you're pulling those lentils out, it's a lot easier to get your hand inside a wide mouth jar. So all you do is pull them out, put them in your container, fluff them around a little bit if you want, and now look at those beautiful lentil sprouts. Now you have your own homegrown lentil sprouts ready to go in the refrigerator for your salads or a sandwich if you prefer it that way. That's it. That is how easy it is to grow your own lentil sprouts. And in only 4 days. What else can you grow that fast in 4 days? And it's really fun to be able to tell people, hey, I grow my own food in my closet. And if you have kids, it's a fun experiment to do with them to teach them how lentils sprout, how any kind of seed would sprout. So it's a really fun experiment to do with your kids. Have you ever bought lentils? Have you ever grown lentils? Do you like lentil sprouts? Have you ever had lentil sprouts, grown your own lentil sprouts? Do you like them? Do you not? Are you gonna try now that you've seen how easy? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.